Good morning, children. I once again welcome you to the English class of 8th standard. I hope yesterday you went through the video of determiners again and had no problem. Now, a topic of that chapter was left, and that is some confusing adjectives. So, today I am going to discuss with you all about some adjectives which are very similar to each other, but their uses is different. First of all, we will start with few, a few, and the few. Few. What is the meaning of few? Few matlab kuch. Few, a few, and the few. These three words are very confusing, but once we all discuss about the usage, then their confusion will be clear. Few means almost none, and it has a negative meaning. It is used before plural countable noun. Hope you all remember what countable nouns are. Countable means which can be counted. So few word means almost none, यानी कि ना के बराबर. For example, he has few books in his library. Means there are almost no books in the library. A few. A few means some at least. मतलब कुछ तो. It has a positive meaning. It is also used before plural countable nouns. Example, he has a few books left in his library. Means there are still some books in the library. And the third one is the few. The few means all of whatever there is. Means जितना भी उसके पास शेष था या बचा था वो सब कुछ. It is also used before plural countable noun. It gives a negative or positive meaning depending on the context, means depending on the sentence. For example, he lost the few friends he had. What is the meaning of this sentence? It means जो भी उसके शेष बचे हुए मित्र थे, he lost all of them. Now coming to the next one, that is little, a little, and the little. Little means hardly any or not much. यानी hardly any, थोड़ा सा. It has a negative meaning and it is used before uncountable nouns. So, little is used before uncountable nouns. There was little money in the house. What is the meaning of this sentence? It means घर में थोड़ा सा ही, न के बराबर मनी शेष था. Now, a little. A little means all of whatever small quantity there is. Means it gives the sense of some at least. For example, there is a little milk left in the pot, and a little, students, it gives a positive meaning. It is also used before uncountable nouns. So if you remember, before plural countable noun we use few, and before uncountable noun we use little. Same way, A little is also used before uncountable noun. The little means all of whatever small quantity there is. It gives the sense of some. However, in a sentence, it may also give negative or positive meaning depending on the context. For example, he wasted the little money he had. What is the meaning of this sentence? That whatever money, जो भी थोड़ा सा पैसा उसके पास शेष बचा था, he lost all of it. He wasted all of it. Now next is less and fewer. Less is used with reference to quantity and before uncountable nouns, and fewer is used with reference to number and before plural countable nouns. So once again students, less is used when we are talking about quantity and fewer is used when we are talking about number. One more difference, less is used before uncountable noun and fewer is used with plural countable nouns. For example, I cannot buy less than 4 kg of rice. Here we can see that we are talking about a quantity, that is 4 kg. And the second example, no fewer than 2000 people were present today. Here we are talking about 2000 and 2000 is a number. Next is some and any. Some and any, they both express quantity. Some is used in the affirmative sentences and any is used in the negative sentences. One more thing I would like to tell you, some can be used before countable and uncountable nouns with reference to number or quantity. It always gives a positive meaning. Any is used before countable and uncountable nouns with reference to number. It gives a negative meaning. Now last one is much and any. Much again stands for quantity and many denotes number. Much is used before uncountable nouns and many is used before plural countable nouns. For example, were there many people watching the movies? Here we can see that many is used before countable noun, that is people. And second example I would like to give you, she doesn't have much money. Here we can say that much is standing for a quantity. I would like to revise once again with you all, starting from few. Few means almost none. It has a negative meaning and it is used before plural countable nouns. Same way, a few means some at least. It has a positive meaning and it is also used before plural countable nouns. The few denotes all of whatever there is. It can be used in both negative or positive manner depending on the context. In the same way, little gives a negative meaning and it is used before uncountable nouns. A little means some at least. It gives a positive meaning and it is also used before uncountable nouns. The little means all of whatever the small quantity there is or some. It can be used both positively and negatively. So, I hope these words are clear to you all, and have a good day, students. Thank you.